Pating Reviews presents hOmeLabs Air Fryer XXL 8-in-1 1700 watts. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. I have wanted one forever. Always hearing the benefits of air frying, but I've never had the opportunity to try it. I have bought other items from this brand and liked the quality, so when I came across that they had an air fryer, I figured now was a good time to finally get one. I'm happy I did. It's everything I've wanted. I can get crispy food without all the unnecessary and unhealthy oils from frying, and it tastes just as good. The attachments made it super easy to try all kinds of new things, and I love that I can dehydrate food as well for healthy snacks. I'm super happy with this product and definitely recommend that you get it as well. Here's a bit more information about this air fryer. It's a family-sized air fryer. It's 15.4 inches by 12.6 inches by 14.2 inches. Electric air fryer with 11.6 quart capacity that can cook up to 4 pounds of chicken inside. It uses hot air circulation and cooks your food from all angles without using oil, and a 1700 watt heating elements cook food faster. This fryer can make food healthier and without unwanted odor by doing away with frying. Rotisserie and dehydrator function. Unlike others, the air fryer comes with a rotisserie chicken function that can roast chicken evenly with its 360-degree superheated cyclone air and rotation. It also comes with a dehydrator function with 90 to 170 degree Fahrenheit preset settings that allows you to create healthy snacks at home. Roasting accessories and dehydrator tray included. Auto shut-off and LED digital display. This air fryer oven is smartly designed with its 1 to 60 minute built-in timer and auto shut-off function that prevents your food and appliance from overheating and burning. With a stylish modern design and a user-friendly LED touchscreen display that shows the 8 cooking modes for different varieties of cooking. It also comes with a control dial to easily increase and decrease the time and temperature of the fryer. It's durable and a stylish design. This air fryer oven is well made with stainless steel and a thermal protective see-through double layer glass door with an internal warm light, so it's easy to have a glimpse on the food inside. This also comes with anti-slip feet to ensure stability on an uneven surface. Complete accessories. This air fryer with accessories provides everything you need. It comes with a rotating basket for your fries and roasted nuts and other snacks. It also comes with dehydrating racks, adjustable skewer racks, oil tray, rotisserie fetch tool, and rotisserie shaft for your roast chicken. The accessories are dishwasher safe, so enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.